welcome back to the next tutorial. So today we are going to see how to add comments in our code. Okay, so first I'm writing the code here, uh, like print my name. Okay, now it's my code, and then I need to put like don't print my company name. Okay, I want to put that. So firstly press the hashtag and then type any command you want. So I want to write don't print my company name. Okay, and then again when I write another code like this and I say mine. Okay, so now when I run this program, click on OK. Now I have to save it, so here I will save it as pi.2. Okay, now see, you can see here it's print my name and O, which is the print and the print online. Okay, it doesn't print this line because we added a hashtag, which means here it is a comment, so it just ignores that line and moves ahead. Okay, what if you remove this command, you will be having this question. So let's try with this. Okay, when you run this program, press OK. See, unexpected ended. Okay, firstly we get this error. So when I click on OK, and when I remove this space, and when I run it again, yes, EOL while scanning lateral. That means that it is having problem while it is scanning it. Okay, so again when I press hashtag here, okay, now when I run my program again, you can see it is done here. It doesn't have any problem. So thank you for watching my video. If you like, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe, which is down. Okay, thank you.